Did you know that there's a difference between pins on your machine and pins in your bucket? Well, you should, because installing the wrong pin can get expensive fast. I'm Mike Nauert with WorkBrow, and today I want to clear up some confusion about hardened pins and soft bucket pins. We'll provide you with information about pins that will save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. A hardened pin is going to be made from induction hardened steel, typically 4140 or a similar alloy. You'll find that these are connecting your coupler to your stick or attaching a bucket directly to your excavator. They're hardened because they're rotating inside bushings or touching other steel parts. They need to be tough to handle the stress caused by the friction of the bushings. Now we're going to talk about soft bucket pin, or as we call them in the industry, a dummy pin or a non-hardened pin. And here's the thing, soft doesn't necessarily mean weak. They're still strong, medium tensile steel pins, they're just not hardened. However, they are coated to prevent rust, and that's exactly what you want, as rust can weaken the metal and shorten its lifespan. Some may ask, why not use a hardened pin for every application? One reason is that a hardened pin can become brittle in the hardening process. When used in the wrong application, it can cause cracking, where a soft pin normally wouldn't have that issue. When you use a quick coupler to pick up a bucket, that soft pin sits in the jaw of your coupler. Those coupler jaws, while they're tough steel, aren't induction hardened. If you put a hardened pin in your bucket, it's going to wear out those expensive coupler jaws. And trust me, replacing a coupler is a lot more expensive than replacing a bucket pin. The soft pin is designed to be a sacrificial wear part. It takes the wear so your coupler doesn't have to. It's cheaper, easier to replace, and that's exactly how the system should work. Think of it like brake pads on a car. You'd rather replace the pads than the rotors, right? Same concept here. So here's what you need to know when you get pins from us or your dealer. Hardened pins are going to equal machine to attachment connections. Soft pins are going to be inside your buckets for coupler pickup. And here's a pro tip. Inspect those bucket pins regularly. They're doing their job by wearing, so check them out for excessive wear or elongation of the pinholes. Sometimes we call it wallering out. If you see significant wear, it's time to replace them. It's a normal maintenance item, just like grease or cutting edges. Don't put hardened pins where soft pins belong. You'll end up damaging your coupler, and that's an expensive mistake. If you're unsure about which pins you need, or if you want to order replacement bucket pins, just reach out to us at WorkBrow or contact your local dealer today. We're here to help. Thanks you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you want to know more, please call us or reach out to your local dealer today. Stay safe out there.